YouTube? Welcome back to my new video. I'm delaying part 5 of my series in Gorilla Tag because Animal Company actually got an update, and it's that mining update I was talking about in one of my rant videos. But today I'm gathered here with the Farting Angel TM to explore this new mining update. I don't know what he's doing, but he's farting, that's for sure. But with that, let's go ahead and explore this update. Okay. Farting Angel TM, grab your stuff, we are going to go ahead and explore this update soon.
Yes, sir.
Oh, frick.
Let me get my pickaxe.
Now
let's get out of here.
Alright, so it's apparent. Oh wait, my predictions was right. I had an idea that it was in here. Farting Angel, wake up.
What?
Wait up. Wake up.
It's already
What
mined.
the hell?
Someone already mined here.
Someone was already.
Oh, someone owns this code.
Oh, someone.
It's saying on here.
What the hell was that?
Someone was already here. They already seen the bomb box.
Okay, yeah, we should probably just go to a public.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
But now we are back. Hello?
I'm here. Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me get my pickaxe since I forgot it.
I just figured out I can fart with one hand instead of two.
Also, wait, hold on. Grab a flashlight. Grab a flashlight.
Wait, farting with one hand makes you go left and right. That's sick.
Cool. Grab a flashlight.
Oh man, I ran out. My binge.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Okay. So now we are back again.
What in the heck?
Oh, come on. You know what? Screw it. Let's just do it. How does? Why? Just why? Like, hold on. Is there a way to combat this?
I can see you.
I know you can see me. Like, is there a way to counter this bone thing?
Oh, no.
Okay, so you basically just have to. Wait, just keep going at the dirt like this.
Oh, wait, there it is. Hit it.
Sure that's gonna work. Dear God. Okay. You know what, screw it, I'm diving down. I'm going down.
Oh shoot, that's fine.
Is that how we stop the thing?
Oh! We made it!
Yo! Okay. Wait, we gotta keep going.
Let's go 30. We need to find a way to knock the boss.
Oh, it's a carrot.
Oh, no, give me that. We don't need this dumb flashlight right now for now.
What do the carrots do? Oh. I need to actually consume one. Yes, that's a cow.
Okay. You go this way.
Hold on. I have no idea what I did. Oh wait, I just realized third person might not be really good for this.
Why?
Wait, can we go down? No, we can't. Where are we supposed to go then?
What? No! He is fine! Shut up crying, all you do!
To the wall.
Somebody just turned off their flashlight.
Oh, hi!
Brick. Die!
I'm boxing it.
Start digging. Start digging. We gotta get up here. Where am I pickaxe? Stupid thing. Get out of our way. Nobody will get this. Ow! You wanna hit me?
Going
I'll hit you
deep.
back. You wanna hit me? I'll hit you back. Oh, we're going down. Dude, we're going down. Look up. Oh. Just keep digging.
Dear God, I can't see.
We hit
Tired.
something.
The tire. Keep moving.
Wonder where we're going.
Dear God, that light is blinding. Oh wait, hold on. Carrot.
That is not no carrot.
That is too a carrot.
Oh.
Now you can have that light off for a little bit.
Still keep blinding. You know what we should do? We should make a series on Gorilla Tag about the what is it called? The Animal Corp.
Animal Corp. Oh, Gorilla Corp.
Yeah, Gorilla Corp.
Oh wait, Ghost Reactor.
Yeah, Ghost Reactor. Same thing.
Okay, wait, let me check.
Jump in! It's safe!
Yo,
Let's go! We did it!
where are we?
Do not touch that green thing. That's gonna send you home. Over here.
Yeah, I know. Dog, is that the Panoctagon?
That's what I'm saying. What's this?
I'm scared. If I played Ultra Kill before, I know that holds,
We gotta dig to the center.
Oh, wait.
Use our grapplers to dig to the center.
Hold on, wait. We need a light. There we go.
Where not? You might not the center.
It might have the whole thing.
Okay, I didn't got the center already. Wait, yeah, it's my whole thing.
Yo, imagine if the animal company actually did something and they can like mimic your voice.
Oh, heck no! They got never touched it. Okay, I didn't do it.
Yeah, let's just move on to grab the light. Wait.
Did the door open? The door open.
Wait, hold on, dude, grab the light.
You don't need the light. There's lights up here now. Okay.
Is that the Panoc? Bro, what type of Ultra Kill level is this?
Oh.
This is the boss part.
What do you mean boss part? They added
There's a boss.
They added a second boss fight to this?
No, there's the first boss. This is our first boss. There's only one boss.
Okay, so the mom boss isn't a boss fight.
No, I just told that bear about I'm gonna look at that heart.
What do we do?
We're gonna stay right here.
Cool, so, should we go back to the city?
No, I'm gonna video. Once we go back. So.
What is this? Oh wait, we have to be down.
Okay, well, hold on, we can do that later. We can do that later. Oh,
Got him alive.
Oh, you idiot! What in the Panopticon?
No, this is just the off-brand Harley Sawyer. Don't worry.
He's firing a laser beam. I think I need one to worry.
Don't worry, he's just the off-brand Harley Sawyer.
Oh, you mean the doctor?
You're not hitting me with laser. Get away from me.
Yeah, no. I kind of forgot my pickaxe up here.
Well, open these crates, Quinn.
I can't. I don't have anything to open them with. I'm stuck.
Your hand?
Oh, I'm stupid. Oh no, get away from me. Quinn? Quinn, you're still alive.
Get him!
I can't. I
Oh,
can't.
shoot. Ow!
I can't do anything. I put my pickaxe up there.
Here, take the glue.
Look, it's a crate.
Ow!
It's a crate. Pistol.
Yes, go! Good! No, yet.
Now? Dude, tell me. Oh, wait, get blocked by the pillars.
Ow!
I got a flash grenade. Should I do it? I'm gonna do it. I missed.
I think it's me.
Why does Animal Company have to have us face Eldritch gods? I swear they have us fighting things from... Oh my goodness! I have a weapon. Come here, Foul. Oh.
Got him! Oh wait, we're doing good damage. Run!
Oh, hell yeah. Hold on, wait, distract him. Alright. Coming. So we're supposed to hit his kneecaps. What is he doing?
Run, get him! Get him, get him! He's healing! Find him!
Oh, frick, he's healing. Come on.
We gotta break through the middle!
Oh, wait. Get his hand, get his hand.
They're not healing on our watch.
I'm getting his ankles.
Ow!
Oh no. Come on, land. Very predictable. Dude,
Trying to heal again!
get him, get him.
Oh heck no, you're not! You're not healing
Get
again!
his foot, get his foot.
His foot, his foot. You're not healing, bro. We're not allowing it. You're trying to heal. We beat him! We beat him!
We beat him?
We win!
What do we get?
Get the laser guns! Get the laser guns!
These are guns. Oh!
did it.
Dude.
Hey, we did it. Hey, we did it. Hey.
Bro. And with that, that will be the end of my first Animal Company video. Thanks to the Farting Angel himself for joining me.
Yes,
this
sir.
video. I'm very surprised we got to defeat the boss in this video. So
He's smart.
maybe that deserves a like and comment. Anyways, goodbye my fellow laddies, and shout out to the Farting Angel. I don't know his actual name, but I'm just calling him that because that's what he told me to call me, or him. Anyways, bye!